Yeah, I think they've come on in leaps and bounds. We've always had the players there to do it, but I think sadly they probably haven't been coached the right way. And now Jason and Vern have been there, and even to a lesser extent McKee. He started a process of upskilling players in their the way they train, the way they eat, the way they look after themselves as professionals, and just the techniques at scrum time, the rolling maul. So it's they've come on in leaps and bounds. If they keep going in that way, we can really give teams up higher a big shake. But I've got to mention Teddy Teller. I thought he played really well at number 10 on the weekend. I think all the boys have more trust in him. Now him playing for the Rua, I know what he can bring. I thought he controlled that game really well. He's just got to take it to the next level. And that obviously helps when the forward pack is going forward. And they really did that for him on Saturday. And hopefully he can get that opportunity again on this Saturday in Lote Tuqiri.